We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello everyone, myself Tejasvi Mistry, Assistant Professor in Electrical Engineering Department in SNPIT and RC Umbra College. Welcome to video lecture of 2 watt meter method for power and power factor measurement in subject of Basic Electrical Engineering in second semester. Contain 2 watt meter method for the power measurement. Second topic, measurement of power by 2 watt meter method in star connection. Measurement of power by 2 watt meter method in delta connection. 2 watt meter method for balanced load condition. Determination of power factor for the from 2 watt meter method. Determination of reactive power by the 2 watt meter. We saw the 2 watt meter method of power measurement. Okay, 2 watt meter method can be employed for the measure the power in 3-phase system. 3-phase system, 3-wire, star or delta connection. That means in this method we only use 2 watt meter for the power measure in 3-phase system for star or delta connection. First of all, we know that the in watt meter 2 types of coil. First, current coil, and second one is the potential coil, that means voltage coil. Okay, in 2 watt meter method, line coil are connected in R and Y or B according to your convenience. Current coil is connected in any 2 coils separately, and the potential coil of both watt meter is connected to common line, that means B terminal. So this in diagram. Okay, in this diagram, watt meter 1, that means watt meter W1 and W2, current coil is connected with the R line, R phase, and current coil of W2 watt meter is connected to Y phase, and potential coil of first watt meter and second watt meter is connected to B phase. The first coil, first watt meter potential coil is connected to B phase. Similarly to potential coil of second watt meter is connected to B terminal. That means current coil is separately connected to R phase and Y phase, but the potential coil are connected to common point, that means at B phase. Okay, IR, IY and IB are the phase current, line current. This is the phase voltage. Okay, consider the above figure in which 2 watt meter W1 and W are connected. W1 and W are connected to measure instantaneous current of watt meter, and W1 is given by the equation shown below. W1, that means the current flow this watt meter is given by IL, that means because our first watt meter is connected to R phase. Now instantaneous potential difference across potential coil of watt meter. Now W1 is connected between R phase and R phase and B phase. Therefore the W1 is equal to ERN minus EBN. Instantaneous power measured by the wattmeter. Now power is equal to I into voltage, V into I. Therefore for the first wattmeter W1 is connected to R phase. Therefore the IR and voltage potential can be given as ERN minus EBN. Similarly, for the second wattmeter is connected to Y phase. Therefore the W2 current through W2 is given by IY, and the potential voltage second wattmeter potential coil is connected between Y phase and B phase. Therefore W2, that means potential difference for the W2 is given as EY minus EBN. Instantaneous power measured by the wattmeter W2 is equal to current into voltage. Okay, current is IY and voltage is equal to this. Okay, product of this give the power. W1 and W2 we get. Now we addition of W1 and W2 reading. Okay, this is the W1 and this is W2. Addition of this and simplify that. Okay, now for the balance condition, IR, IY and IB is equal to 0. Therefore, in this equation, IR plus IY can be replaced by minus IB. Therefore, here we put minus IB, minus minus plus. Therefore, we get the plus IB EBN. Okay, and this is the equation for the power for three-phase system. Therefore, W1 plus W2 give the total power. So, in three-phase system, using 2 wattmeter, we can also measure the three-phase power, where capital P is the total power absorbed in three-phase load at IR is equal to I1 minus I3. Okay. Similarly for the IY, I2 minus I1. Similarly to IB, I3 minus I. Current can be given as W1 IR is equal to I1 minus I3. Similarly for now we want potential, that means voltage. W1 is equal to ERB. Okay. Therefore the instantaneous power measured by the wattmeter W1. Okay, voltage into current, this is the voltage and current, these two terms give the power for the W1. Now similarly for the W2 is connected for the Y, therefore IY is equal to I2 minus I1, and power voltage can be given as W2 is equal to EYB. Therefore the instantaneous power measured by the wattmeter W2 it will be given as W2 is equal to EYB I2 minus I1. Okay, this is to W2 and this is to W1. Now again we take add and W2. Okay, this equation. Now EIRB is equal to ERB. Okay, put this equation after simplification of that and use this balance condition. In balance condition, phase voltage, this voltage addition is equal to 0. So this thing is used in this equation, and after this we get the final equation for the R, Y and B. Okay, the addition of these give the total power. So for delta connection, capital P is equal to total power absorbed in three-phase load is given as W1 plus W2, similar to star connection. 2 wattmeter method, balanced load condition. Balanced load, that means the current and voltage are same in magnitude and 120 degree apart from each other. The 2 wattmeter method is explained taking an example of balanced load. In this, we have to prove the power measured by the 2 wattmeter. That means W1 plus W2 is equal to P. Sum of the 2 wattmeter reading is equal to root 3 times of the phase voltage and line voltage. That means W1 plus W2 is equal to this root 3 VL IL cos phi, which is actual power consumed in three-phase balance system. First of all, balance system, that means voltage and current, each phase voltage is same in magnitude, similarly current is same in magnitude, but all the three phase voltage and current are 120 degree apart from each other. Here we want to prove that W1 plus W2 is equal to root 3 VL IL cos phi. From the phasor diagram, the phase difference V by V and I1 is here we want this angle. This angle is equal to 30 plus 5. So for the wattmeter 2, the V by V IV cos 30 plus 5. Now since the load is balance condition, hence due to balance condition, all the I, R, I by IB can be replaced by IL, and VR, V by V and VBR can be replaced by VL. Now wattmeter reading W1 and W2. W2 put this all value in equation 1 and 2, that means W1 and W2, then we get the VLIL cos 30 minus 5, VLIL cos 30 plus 5. This is the equation for W1. W1 take sum of W1 and W2. Okay, now VL and IL common term, therefore we taken out from the bracket, and simple we take the simple mathematical equation. So after simplification, we get the 2 cos 30 cos phi. Now cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. Now 2 to cancel out, therefore w1 w2 is equal to root 3 vl il cos phi. And previously we saw that w1 plus w2 is equal to p. Therefore w1 plus w2 is equal to root 3 vl il cos phi is equal to p. That means total power measure. Now thus, the sum of reading of the two wattmeter is equal to power absorbed in three-phase balance system. That means W1 plus W2 is equal to P is equal to root 3 VL IL cos phi, and this is the active power. Determination of power factor from the wattmeter reading. Now W1 and W2 is equal to this equation. We already see that. Now take subtraction of this equation W1 minus W2 equation. So again we simplify that, finally we get this equation W1 minus W2 is equal to VL sin phi. Now take ratio of this equation, that means equation 3 divided by the equation 2. We get this equation. Therefore tan phi is equal to 3 W1 minus W2. Okay, we got this equation. Power factor of the load, power factor, that means cos phi. Cos phi, okay, therefore cos is equal to tan inverse of root 3 W minus W2 divided by W1 plus W2. This is the equation for the power factor for three-phase measurement, star or delta. Determination of reactive power by 2 wattmeter, that means Q, capital Q measurement. The reactive power multiply equation 3 multiply by root 3. Okay, root 3 W1 minus W2, W3 VLIL sin phi is equal to reactive power. Therefore reactive power given is capital PR or is equal to Q is equal to root 3 root 3 W minus W2. This equation represents the reactive power. Okay, thank you.